Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to pair this watch with an iPhone, you will need to have a working SIM card that you can insert into your watch, because to pair the devices together, you will need to use the phone number of the SIM card you inserted into a watch, basically to connect the devices together. So once you have the SIM card, you will need to insert it into a watch, and to do it, pick up your watch, find the SIM card tray. Looks like this. Basically it says SIM on it, and to open the tray you can use a fingernail or something like a pin to lift the tray up like this, and once you lift it up it will come out. And here we have our tray. Now we need to place the SIM card on it. It's cut to the shape of the SIM card, so you just take a SIM card, place it on the tray, and then you can insert the SIM card into your watch. Like that. Or maybe it's gonna be easier if you put watch this way and then insert the card like this. It's gonna be easier that way. Okay. And once you insert the SIM card, you can turn on the watch by pressing and holding the side button. If your watch is already turned on, you don't need to do it, but mine is turned off, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. And after you turn on the watch, you can wait until it turns on, or in the meantime we can download and install the required application for the pairing. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search, then tap on the search bar and type in Xplora. You should see this application on the list, Xplora. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, tap on the Open button. Now we need to log in into Xplora account. You can also create an account if you don't have one by tapping on here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on Login, enter the email address and password, and then tap on Login. After you log in, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, here we have the notification permission. If you want to be able to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And next we have the motion and activity. You can allow it or deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the devices page of the app. Now tap on the Add New Device button right here in the top right corner. Tap on OK. And now we need to open the QR code on our watch. So wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. Swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Keep swiping left. Find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called QR code. It's barely visible, but it's here, right here. Tap on QR code, and as you can see, we have the QR code right here. Tap on the OK button in the app. Tap on OK. It will open the camera app, and what you need to do is to point the camera on the watch to scan the QR code. So I'm gonna just point it like this. After you scan the QR code, you will need to enter the phone number of the SIM card that is inserted into your watch. And of course, once you enter the number, you need to tap on Next to continue. So I'm gonna do that. Once you enter the phone number, you will be able to basically have or create a profile for your kid or child, and you can tap right here to change the picture of the profile. You can select the photo. For example, I don't know, this. Something didn't go right. Maybe let's take a picture. It's gonna be easier. Oh, like this. Okay, you can enter the name. For example, Yes. And once you're done setting up the profile, tap on Next. Here tap on Get Started. And after a couple of seconds, you should see your profile right here. Also, some data about the watch. As you can see right now, it's not available, but you need to wait a while for it to like refresh. Okay, let's wait. As you can see, it says that the activation is complete. This means that the watch is activated and paired with your phone. So if we reopen the app, it should refresh the page. So let's try it. Like this. Now we have the battery info and the last location right here displayed. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the app, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.